So welcome to this again and NPTEL programming, data structure and algorithm using Python. Week 1 and week 2 quizzes I have solved, and in that for your reference purpose I am just going to give. Though this is very easy, if you are going through you can easily perform it, but before marking you just cross check just for reference purpose. And week 1 you see the question number 1 answer is 25. Most of questions I have asked just for fill the blank. So question number 2, 75, question number 3, 4, question number 4 is option number 4 is correct. The function terminates for positive n with this particular. Okay, so this is the answer for first quiz. Similarly, I have solved for the week 2 quiz. So in that also they have given 10 lines of a code, and in that they're asking which particular statement is incorrect. So according to my execution, I'm getting the error at 7, statement number 7. Question number 2, the option is 2. Question number 3 is this particular string pattern will come. Question number 4, this list will come. So these are the answers for the week 2 quiz, right? So we'll go through this. Thank you.